You've been lied to about recurring income. Everyone online tells you how to build it. Very few people show you how to actually keep it without slowly losing your mind. They say, build recurring income and you'll have freedom. I've even repeated that line before. But for most people, that's not what happens. What they actually get is recurring pressure, recurring churn, recurring stress. You launch a thing, you get a few people in, you think, this is it, it's finally working. And then it starts to slide backwards. If that's happened to you, it's not because you're lazy, you're not broken, you're just stuck in the wrong model. Let's walk through it. You go on Skool, you set up a membership, you upload some lessons, you get a handful of signups and you're hyped. The graph goes up, you feel like you cracked the code. Then the excitement fades, people stop engaging, a couple of them cancel, then a few more. Your Stripe notifications slow down, your income drops, and there you are again, chasing. That's not freedom. That's what I call recurring burnout. The problem isn't recurring income. Recurring income is very real. I live off of it. The problem is how most people build it. Most people build subscriptions, not systems. They build access, not transformation. They sell information, not accountability. They think people will join because I have special information they can't get anywhere else. But let's be honest, people can get information everywhere. We have YouTube, we have blogs, we have AI. Information is not the shortage. It's kind of like losing weight. Everyone already knows the basics. Eat better, move more, drink water, sleep. Yet people still hire personal trainers. Why? Not because the trainer is going to reveal a secret fruit you never heard of before. They hire a trainer for support, accountability, and a real, measurable transformation. That's what people want from your recurring offer too. Not secret knowledge. They want a consistent experience of community, connection, and accountability. They want to feel like they're actually moving forward and not doing it alone. And if you try to build recurring income without real infrastructure, without systems, and without focusing on transformation and results, you don't get freedom. You get a roller coaster. Some months it's up, some months it's down. Emotionally, it feels worse than a job. Here's the shift. You don't fix this with more effort. You can't brute force your way out of this by just trying harder. You don't yell at a tree to make it grow faster. You don't scream at a rocket to need less fuel. This game is not about effort alone. It's about leverage and systems. Inside the Shifting Gears community, I keep things very simple. We build around one core model, AI, Skool, and YouTube working together as a system. Think of it like a freedom machine. Let's break down the pieces. First, AI. AI isn't going anywhere. What you're seeing right now is the worst it will ever be. It's only going to get better from here. If you ignore it, you move slower. If you learn to use it, it's like having 5 versions of you working in the background. Artificial intelligence helps you plan content. It helps you brainstorm. It outlines your lessons. It helps you script. It helps you repurpose. It keeps you organized and consistent. It doesn't replace who you are. It removes the resistance that keeps you from showing up. The message doesn't have to be brand new. What matters is the way you say it, the way you connect with your people. 2 singers can sing the exact same song. One of them moves you, the other doesn't. The difference is in the delivery. Artificial intelligence helps you get the song written faster so you can spend more of your energy delivering it. Then there's Skool. Skool isn't just a piece of software. It's the place where your recurring income actually lives. It's where your members log in, connect, and grow. In Skool, your lessons, your community, and your accountability all sit in one place. You can go live, you can run Q&A calls, you can track people's progress, you can give them a clear path. And here's where it gets powerful. Your members start helping each other. They answer questions. They cheer each other on. They share wins and struggles. Suddenly, people are not just there for you. They're there for the community. When that happens, people stay longer. They get better results. And your membership becomes more valuable over time instead of slowly dying. That's when recurring income starts to compound instead of constantly resetting every month. Then we have YouTube. YouTube is your megaphone. It's your trust engine. You make one video one time, you upload it once, and that single video can bring you views, leads, and new members every day for months or even years. That's leverage. When YouTube, Skool, and AI work together, here's what happens. Your community shows you what people are stuck on. You use AI to research, structure, and script content that directly solves those problems. You publish that content on YouTube. Now, your videos aren't random anymore. They're strategic. They speak to real pain points. They show real solutions. People discover you through that content. They start to trust you because you're actually helping them. And then they step into your Skool community to go deeper. That's not hype. That's a system. And the best part, those videos keep working while you're doing something else. You're not constantly starting from zero. Think of a great song. The artist records it once. Years later, people still listen, still enjoy it. That's the power of leverage. You want your content and your systems to work like that. Now, most people don't fail because nothing works. They fail because one part of their system is weak. For some people, the problem is content. They're not publishing consistently, or their content doesn't have a clear job. It's just posting to post instead of content that's meant to attract, nurture, or sell. For others, the problem is community. They get a few people in, but there's no real connection, no accountability, no sense of we're in this together, so people quietly drift away. For others, the problem is systems and AI. They're doing everything manually, reinventing the wheel every week, working way too hard for results that don't scale. The fix is simple, but not always easy. You find the weakest link and focus on that. So ask yourself 3 honest questions. Do I have consistent content going out that has a clear job to build my audience, bring in leads, make offers, and provide proof? Do I have a real community where people connect, support each other, and create value beyond just me talking at them? Am I using AI as a creative assistant to multiply my efforts? Or am I still trying to do everything myself and moving slower than I need to? If the answer to any of those is no, that's your project. Pick the weakest area. Decide that this week you're going to work on that one thing, then move to the next one. That's how momentum gets built. One focused improvement at a time. Recurring income isn't really about selling access or hiding information behind a paywall. It's about building leverage systems that earn trust, deliver transformation, and hold people accountable without you grinding 24/7 just to keep the lights on. When AI, Skool, and YouTube are working together, your content attracts, your community transforms, your systems retain and compound. That's when things start to feel like freedom instead of another job in disguise. Inside the Shifting Gears community, this is exactly what we build. We build what I like to call freedom machines, systems that help you earn while you actually live your life and that deliver real transformation for your members at the same time. You get to do work you enjoy with people you like while making a real difference in their lives. So if this hit you, if something in you went, okay, that's me, I'm on the burnout roller coaster, here's what I want you to do. First, don't just click away and forget this. Pause for a second and ask yourself, which piece is my weakest right now? Content, community, or systems/AI? Then, if you're serious about building recurring income that actually feels like freedom, not pressure, click the link in the description. Come join us inside the Shifting Gears community or grab the free training I've put together that walks through this model in more detail. Freedom doesn't just randomly show up one day because you thought positive thoughts about it. You don't just find it, you build it, one system, one decision, 1 week at a time. And if you're ready to start building, I'll see you inside.